Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more videos on image recognition using Python. As we have gone through many videos on face recognition such as keras, using keras, emotion recognition, emotion categories, emotion count. Then we are seeing VGGFace dataset such as image detection and recognition. Also we have seen a lot of videos on fear library, deface library, and many more videos on image detection and recognition. Today's video is all about face recognition with FaceNet. So let us see in detail. Importing the required library needed for the program. Path dot stand for current directory. I have taken the image of Anil Kapoor, actor, who has released there to list the path. CV2 to read the image. Then I am show to read the to display the image in grayscale. Then plot matplotlib, show in matplotlib graph. Print image shape. Then next part, extract face method. In that first statement, image is equal to image dot open file name. It is used for load image from the file. Then convert the image into RGB. Next statement. The next statement, pixel is equal to np dot as array. It is used for convert to array. Detector is equal to empty CNN. It is used for creating the detector. Then result is equal to detector dot detect faces. It is used for detects face in images. Then all about the rectangle around the face, this part. Then this is about the image part. The next statement, pixels and PLT I am show in that sense, extract the face and print the pixels. Now I will execute the program. This part, all this part, it used for load the photo and extract the face. Means calling the extract face function. Now I will run the program. Yes, Anil Kapoor face has been detected. Now yes, face has been extracted. So I have successfully done with face recognition using FaceNet with keras, and this is matplotlib. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching video.